Yo, I know see a Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, we are in Portland. Yes, sire. Long road to be exact. So I think a St. Thomas alone I get fixed up. Continue with this journey and I don't see what going on in Portland. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Open all doing great, open all doing well. So I don't know what they're doing, so just do. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell. Put it on all so that when we drop a video, you are the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video. So just watching what female viewers, manners and thanks are doing. So as me say, we are in Portland. So we make you see what going on in Portland. And the St. Thomas alone I get fixed up. Now I'm gonna ride across the board, the fixing going on, So we make you see what going on in Portland because one time gone the Salem road there, you go to Portland. Bad piece of road, long road. Bad. You get what I say, viewers? Now see it, better driving condition. So the vehicle might move smooth and swift on it. Yes, viewers. So just continue watch the video and see all what's going on in Portland. Okay, viewers and subscribers, are you ready? Alright, let's go. Yeah man, one time gone viewers and subscribers, them road man, you have to skip patrol. You have to skip left, center and right as you all can see. Yeah man, brand new piece of road done by Scenic and ASPHALT. Big up the whole team, man, me I tell you man. Yeah man, the whole Scenic and ASPHALT team, just big up on yourself man, and me I tell about that team, them perform some good work viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so just big up the Scenic and ASPHALT team. You see me I say, Whitehead and the whole team, man. Big up yourself, man. Shabba, Pinchers, the whole work. Take a look now, viewers. Take a look now. Take a look. Happy Grove, we are entering tonight. We are going in now, viewers and subscribers. Take a look now, man. We don't see what going on Portland, viewers and subscribers, family subs. So if everybody up, just press the thumbs up, man, and show me someone up, man. I'm telling about that piece of road there, Smooth, pretty. Oh my God. I tell your viewers and subscribers, Portland up, natural. So as me telling already no viewers and subscribers, this Scenic and ASPHALT team, as me say, every time that me see them a perform work, me I tell you say them perform some good work, and me I tell you them continue to do them working at this type of way. Who to tell one of this time to come, them are gonna be the #1 team, ASPHALT team in Jamaica. If they are not right now, who to tell? Cause me I tell you them I put on some good work when them work. Yes, I see it and I bring it forward to no see. So it's a Portland up in our viewers and subscribers, as I all can see. So going to Portland now, yeah, the bad road now exists again. a good road you drive on. You know, see it, viewers? Look now. You see it? Yeah, man, heading to Portland now. Road up. And it so happens to be that on our time going to Portland, viewers and subscribers come catch the miracle. So continue watch the video and take a look at it. Yes, you see it, Scenic and ASPHALT. So it happens to be that the time going to Portland, you see it, go and see them do some work. Viewers and subscribers, family subs, everybody up. Just press the thumbs up, man, and show me sound up, man. So remember, my channel is all about your community. My community, overall, Jamaica, the positive side. So you don't know when I will be in your community. So make sure subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so that when we in your community and drop a video, you will be notified and see what go on. Take it up, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man. So bless up to each and everyone, Continue watch the video. So viewers and subscribers, as we come to the end of another video, hope you all enjoy the video, because you all can see what's going on in Portland. Portland are getting fixed up all. So now we're to come to the end of another video. If you did new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribe. Welcome to the family. If you leave a like, thank you very much also. And if you leave a comment, bless up, man. So we say what? Now we're to come to the end of another video, Bless up to each and everyone, Safe travel upon the gravel, I'm out.